In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an object out in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. They changed this process some. I don't know why they like to do this to us, just to keep us on our toes and learning. But anyway, I have a bolt in this video. I'm going to blur that out. First thing I want to do is adjust the clip length where I want the blur to come in and out, so I'm not trying to blur too much. So you see there, that clip is just a few seconds. Once I have the clip selected, over here, there's a mask object tool. If you click and hold over that for the first time, Adobe Premiere Pro will automatically download that feature to your software. Now, also when you hold it down, it gives you 3 or 4 options on how to select the part of the video you want to blur. It's an AI tool. The top option is Object Mask Tool, and when you point your pointer over an object, click on it and let it go, it'll highlight that entire object. I don't want it highlighting that entire object, so I'm going to use the rectangular tool. I'm going to go up here and draw a rectangle over the object I want blurred. I'm at the beginning of the clip, so now I'm going to go over to my edit panel and tell it to track the length of the clip. I click on that. It is masking that object, highlighting that object to the clip. Now I go to my effects panel. If you don't have effects, go Windows and click on effects, so it has a check mark on it. That box will pop up somewhere in your software. I located mine here. Then in the effects, I searched blur, and I'm selecting this Gaussian blur, however you want to call that. And I click on it, I drag it down to this clip that I have highlighted where I put that object in there. I let it go, it blurs that object, and it blurs it for the length of how long I track that object. So just to verify that, I could come back here. You see the bolt there. I hit play or preview, and when it gets to that timeline, it'll blur it, and then at the end of that timeline, it becomes unblurred. So that's how I do it. Hope that helps.